Welcome to 9677 Easter Way. This 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath home is located in the UTC area of San Diego. Upon entry, you see this home has beautiful white paint and hardwood floors. Lots of space in the living room, and as we turn, you see here you have your dining room, which in turn goes straight into your kitchen. Beautiful granite countertops, white cabinetry, and stainless steel appliances. On the other side of the dining room, we have your half bath for your guest. With a little bit of extra storage space under the stairs. And through the living room here, we'll lead you outside to this spacious patio. And outside on the patio, you have this beautiful laundry room. Extra storage, your hot water heater. Now we'll walk back indoors and up the stairs. You have carpeted stairs, wrap around to upstairs, where immediately we have the largest of the 2 bedrooms. Lots of built-in cabinets and shelving. And as you can see, dual closets. You have cabinet space right here in the hallway. And now we'll step into the 2nd bedroom. Large mirrored closet. Again, some awesome shelving that's already built in cabinets. And then this room connects to the bathroom. So again, lots of storage, long countertops, and a private toilet suite.